Hey, welcome my friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa, and today I want to share with you my March Madness 2022 project that we are doing, and also I am trying to raise money for my local Humane Society as well. So we are making this over on my Facebook page, and this is a bonus project that you get if you purchase this tutorial. All right, so right now I have this tutorial at a low price. Half of it goes to me, and then the other half I am donating to my local Humane Society. They need some help, and I thought, you know what, I could help them out. So if you purchase my March Madness 2022, $5 of it goes to me, $5 goes to my local Humane Society. And then when we're done with the project over on Facebook, it will go up to regular price, okay? But the donation thing is only going to last till the first, like April 3rd or April 4th. So if you want to purchase this and help me raise money, my goal is $1,000. I'm getting very close to handing them a check for $1,000. But I wanted to give you guys a chance as well. If you want to help donate, you just go purchase this tutorial. You do get the bonus. You do get this. Okay. And another bonus that I'm doing right now, if you purchase this tutorial, I will give you a coupon code for 50% off any tutorial on my website. Okay. And that's just good till April 3rd or 4th. Okay. But you'll get the ephemera holder, and then you'll get the process videos and the guide for the Grace and Beauty file folder folio as well. Okay, so let's do this one here. This has signatures, and it's going to be, and I'm not done with this project yet. We're still making it. I'm still working on part of the guide. I've got most of it done, but there's certain aspects I still got to complete on this. So it's not a done project yet, but it will be here in a couple of weeks. We will finish this around the 1st of April, and it will be done. So it's going to use ribbon and cording to attach to this, to the spine of the album. You can make one signature, 2 or 3 signatures. I've even got one lady, she's doing 4, and she increased her spine. And I will give you directions on that in the cutting guide as well. If you just want to make one, and then you'd have your spine differently. And there's the back. But this is going to hold lots of ephemera. Oh my gosh. And it's completely made out of file folders. So you got a pocket here, and this is style 1, signature 1. You got a pocket, pocket, little pocket, little pocket. And I'll just thumb through this kind of quick. And we still got lots of decorating. You got a pocket here. These are stacked pockets, so it goes clear to the bottom. You've got a pocket on each side. So it can hold paper, it can hold ephemera, whatever you'd like it to be. A pocket, pocket, and then a belly band. So, you know, you can envelopes with your ephemera on it. You could even cut and put acetate or vellum on your envelopes so you could see what is in your envelopes. Okay. And we still, like I said, we still got lots of work to do to this project yet. So you got 2 very nice pockets here. So it could hold dies, it could hold stamps. So here, you know, you could also cut this out here so you could see what's inside of here. So it's a project just to hold ephemera, whatever you want this to be, okay? Like I said, you've got a pocket here, and you have a pocket here. It's a stacked pocket. It could be whatever you want it to be. I did use Tyvek on the spine to help with the wear and tear. Here's another belly band. It's got stacked pocket this way out of file folder. Another pocket here. Double stacked pocket here. And I like it with the, let's see what I do with my envelopes. Because you can put envelopes throughout any of this. Make your own envelopes. to go in, you know, in here to hold ephemera. Okay. And like I said, right now, the tutorial is just $10. 5 of it goes to me. 5 of it I will donate to my local Humane Society. I will be doing a Facebook Live when I donate the money. So this one just repeats the very first one. Okay. And it's got a double stacked pocket on it. I wanted something that, you know, when I'm crafting and doing things to where, and I haven't done this aspect yet, it's just page protectors, but I haven't done that. I haven't taught them how to do that yet. Okay. So that's just a quick flip through of the ephemera. Like I said, we'll be using cording and ribbon to attach it to here. I did use lightweight chipboard here, but I did use medium weight here. It's getting, I may have to make it out of medium weight chipboard. But I wanted something I could lay over here and have all my, you know, miscellaneous embellishments in. Instead of digging through drawers trying to find, it's all right here for me. So I hope you will go over to my website, purchase this tutorial. For 10 bucks, you can't beat it. You can't beat this. You get the folio. I'm going to send you a coupon for 50% off. 50% off my tutorials on my website. Woo! So really, you can't beat it, guys. You can't beat it. And like I said, it's not a done project. We're still working on it. I'm still adding to the project. So yes. So this is a cute little folio. Totally made out of file folders. It measures 8.5 by 9.5. I did use the new collection from Simple Stories, the Indigo paper collection. And I did use twine here. This is really cute. I mean, if you just want this for, you know, 10 bucks. But, oh, it turned out so cute. Then you've got a pocket here. That's kind of on the same basis. I just took aspects of the ephemera holder and made a folio out of it. So then you got a little belly band here. And then this flips. And then here, I just put paper here. And then just to have a little insertion place. Beautiful paper, guys. This folio is so cute. I need to figure out how many photos it will hold. Now I used washi tape. Kind of stretch the paper. And then you got a nice pocket here, a nice pocket here. And I didn't do anything for the pockets. Okay. But yeah, you have lots of pockets. And then you got that. And then you have a pocket. So a beautiful, quick little folio. I guess it's not little, 8.5 by 9.5. That is not little. And I did use a tie-back. I taught you guys how to do this a couple of years ago. Where you color your, excuse me, color your white tie-back with alcohol ink. Might have even been 3 years ago. But yeah, I did show you guys how to do that. I love doing that. But yeah. So, if you guys want to purchase this, head over to my website and purchase it for 10 bucks. $5 of it goes to me, and the other $5 goes to my local Humane Society. It'd be greatly appreciated if you want to help me out. And if you don't, that's totally fine. Okay? It is totally fine. But I hope you enjoy this. And like I said, you know, you could do 1 signature, 2, 3. Like I said, I had one lady, she's doing 4. And you just put your pockets wherever you want them. It's totally made out of file folders. Yeah, I love it. I love it. And like I said, I'm still working on it, guys. So I'm still adding stuff to the folder and everything. So, yep. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section down below. I will gladly get back to you, or you just want to let me know what you think of it. Okay, it is a huge project. It really is. But you know, if you don't want to do that, you just want this folio, I mean, $10. So help me support our four-legged friends who are in need. They had 63 pets in there as of, when was it, 3 weeks ago, and needed some help with them. So yeah. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll be talking to you guys later. As always, keep scrapping. Bye bye.